Yeah, hopefully someone got a video. You can go.
Thank you. Dropping! It's definitely smoother.
Yeah,
Oh, hi, Kaylee.
Tommy, I got the line.
Sorry I was like that close to you just now.
Where?
In the rock garden.
Oh yeah,
Maybe
the little.
you were like super close.
Well, I saw somebody. I just didn't know it was you. No worries.
How many
Whoa.
laps have you done?
This is my second one.
Nice.
What about you?
This is my first. I'm just exploring, seeing where to go.
Yeah. Yo!
Hello, Teague.
How are you?
How you doing?
Good. Just looking at a section.
I'm doing great. My wheel keeps on getting freaking slaughtered.
Slaughtered. Yeah, well,
Are you doing the lily pads after?
Oh, where?
The lily pads
On this rock thing?
after this. Go around the corners and then you have the lily pads.
I don't know.
Is this your first lap?
My second one.
Alright. Do you want to go in front?
Oh, sure.
I don't know if I'm stopping, so I don't know. You go in front because I don't want to like say that I'm gonna hit them and then I'm gonna go in front.
Okay. Are they just the jumps?
Yeah.
I do the jumps.
Well, no, not the jumps after this. You have the corners and you have the gap jumps. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Over the
yeah, I
ravine?
hit those.
All right.
They're called lily pads. I get it.
You're good to go whenever you want.
Okay. I'm gonna cruise this, so you might want to give me some time. Feels all right. A little more of a jumper there. Sorry. You good? Oh, Jesus.
You kind of salvaged it.
I did. Yeah, I'm good. was sketch. Let's look up the schedule.
You do the root gap, but you just point yourself towards the boulder. It's like a hip. Really? Yeah.
Friday.
A bunch of people are doing it. It looks pretty fast.
9 to 1:30 again, bro? Oh, wait, no, that's today. 9, 10, 11. That's 2 hours.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. 2 hours tomorrow. That's pretty good. Take it. I should just committed there, whatever. Boulder. Jesus. I'll have to go up there. Or maybe not. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so used to going that way. Last time. Oh my god. Well, I was really looking ahead. I'll say that. I didn't see the tape, I'm a dumbass.